Friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you are subscribed, please do not forget to hit the bell icon to get my next video updates almost instantly. Thank you. So welcome friends. Our today's webinar topic is Zerodha Pi tutorial, guide, demo, download link and review. And this is 2019, so I'll try to give you an updated information on Zerodha Pi. So who are already following me, you know that I am Indrajit Mukherjee. I have founded stockmaniacs.net. So if you like my video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, or also you can join my trading team. To join me, simply WhatsApp me your name, phone number and email ID and send it to +91 96743 21856. I'll just repeat the number once again. It is +91 96743 21856. So before I start, I am assuming that you are already having Zerodha account, because Zerodha is India's #1 broker. So most of the guys are already now having a Zerodha account, because to access Zerodha Pi you need a Zerodha account. So if you do not have Zerodha account, you can just simply remember this link, bit.ly/Zerodha Pi. So bit.ly/Zerodha Pi. So just write down on any browser, click, and you can open a Zerodha account, and you can after your account is activated, you can access Zerodha Pi. And if you wish, I'll give you the link in the description of the video, so don't worry. Now those who are already having Zerodha account, most of them do not know that Zerodha is having a software called Pi, because most of us use Kite, because Kite is easy to use. But you know that Zerodha is having another very good software called Zerodha Pi, and many professional jobs can be done on Zerodha Pi. So the only point is that to access Zerodha Pi, you need a laptop or a PC, because Zerodha Pi does not run on any mobile. So I am assuming that you are already having Zerodha Pi installed. If you do not have it installed, I'll give you the download link and the installation guide in the video description. So you need not to waste your time in learning how to download and install Zerodha Pi. So we are assuming that you are already having Zerodha Pi. So this is how Pi looks like. This is how Zerodha Pi looks like. This is the latest version, and on the right hand side you can see the indices, Nifty 50 and Sensex. The values are shown. So there are few menus on the Zerodha Pi. One is file, one is orders, one is positions, funds, chart tools, view, alerts, artificial intelligence and help. So these are the menus of Zerodha Pi. So on the file menu, you can see we can create a market watch, we can load a workspace. There are predefined workspaces, just like we can go to say NSE Nifty 50. So if we click that, all NSE's Nifty 50 symbols will be opened. So you can see all the NSE's Nifty 50 symbols are opened. There are other menu available under the file. So load chart from disk, or you can find a symbol, or you can also lock your Zerodha Pi and exit. The next menu is order. So you can put a buy order, a sell order, a bracket order, a cover order, an aftermarket order, and you can also access your order book and trade book. The orders can also be given on any symbol just by right clicking and selecting a buy order. So, or a cover order or a bracket order. So these are the orders can be given by right clicking. So you can see the orders are also there on the right clicking of the symbol. Order book is also there, trade book is also there, plus there is an option called snap quote. If you put on snap quote, it will show you best 5 bids and offers. So right now the market is closed, so this feature is currently unavailable, but in market hours using the snap quote you can see the best 5 bids and offers. So on the right clicking there are other things. You can see the positions, the admin positions, stock holding, cash positions. You can delete the script from the market watch. You can also click link to Excel by getting your all the symbols on an Excel file, or you can open a chart. So regarding link to Excel, I'll give you a better description on a later video. So remember, to access chart you need to select a symbol and right click and select the chart option, or on the keyboard you can press Shift plus C. So we have seen the file menu. Next, the orders. Already we have seen the orders. So buy order, sell order, bracket order, cover order, aftermarket order. Also you can access the order book and the trade book. And in the positions, already we have seen you can also access the positions from right clicking the on a script. So there are admin position, cash position and stock holding. So you can see what are your current positions. There are a fund option. So if you click on the fund, there are pay in and payout option. If you click on pay in, so it will take you to pay in. So you can put your amount, you can put the segment, equity, derivatives or currency or commodity, whatever. And your linked bank will be shown over here, and you can transfer the fund either through UPI transfer is free, or you can use net banking. So this is funds pay in. There is funds payout also. So if you click on funds payout, it will take you to the console or the back office. You can log in with your Kite user ID and password, and once you log in you can transfer the fund back from your trading account to your bank account. So funds, then the next one is chart, but you can see the two menus, chart and the chart tools, those are actually deactivated. This is because any chart is not opened. So let me open a chart. If I select say Ambuja Cement and click on chart, I can open a minute chart. On the minutes chart I can open a 1 minute chart, 3 minutes chart, 5 minutes chart, 15 minutes chart and so on. And how much back data will be loaded, that also I can select. 1 day, 5 day, 15 days, 45 days and so on. Or I can open a hourly chart. Interval is 1 hour or 2 hours, and the back data is also there, how much backfill I need. Or there is a daily chart. So we can open a daily chart also. We can select the months, how many months back data we need. So 12 months, 36 months, 60 months and so on. And we have the data, the day chart data Zerodha is having from 8th August 2009. So suppose I am opening a daily chart, and let me have say 120 months. So whatever maximum data we are having, we can access that chart. So I have selected day, periodicity day, and the backfill data I have selected 120 months, and now I am clicking on OK. So you can see the chart will be opened. So it is a very nice chart, and on the chart also you can quickly give an order, a sell order or a buy order. You can put a order over here. There is a order window. This is the order window. From here also you can change the chart interval. You can make it to 5 minutes chart, or you can make it to say hourly chart. So this is possible from the chart option. Let me go back to the daily charts. So the charts also you can select various kind of charts, like this is a by default, this is a candlestick chart. So you can create a line chart, or you can create a bar chart or a candle chart or a candle volume chart or equi-volume chart, equi-volume shadow, Heikin Ashi, Kagi, point and figure, Renko, 3-line break, and mostly all the required charting options are there. So I am going back to the candle chart. You can also attach the indicators. It is called study over here. So from the study, suppose we want to add say super trend indicator. So I am writing super trend, and once I am writing super trend, the periods, the default periods are 14 and 3, and we can apply, and super trend will be attached to the chart. If we want to delete the indicator, we will double click on the super trend and click on delete. That's as easy as that. So let me attach the super trend and change the parameter once. So I'm writing super trend. Suppose I want to add super trend with a parameter of 10 and 3. So you can see the super trend can be added. Likewise, other indicators can also be added, like we can add a Bollinger Band or something like that. So I am writing Bollinger. So you can add Bollinger Bands. You can change the parameters. Suppose we are changing the parameters to 22 and apply. So this is how you can attach a indicator to the charts. Now there are chart tools. You can put a buy symbol over here. Suppose you want a buy symbol over here. You can put a sell symbol over here. So these kind of symbols can be placed on the chart. So you can use these kind of symbols more when you are using the artificial intelligence, or you are writing codes on your Pi platform. So there are chart tools. You can create a trend line, an ellipse, speed lines, gun fan, Fibonacci arcs, Fibonacci retracements, and like these, all the drawing tools are over here. So let me show you how you can draw a trend line. Suppose I am drawing a trend line. So I am joining two tops. So this is how a trend line looks like. So this is a trend line. Once again, from the tools, I'll select trend line and I'll try to join the bottoms. So this is also a trend line. Another trend line I'll draw by joining other two bottoms. So you can do whatever you like, and similarly you can remove these by selecting and delete. Selecting and delete. So these are the chart tools are here. Next, there is the view. In the view, you can create your own user settings or view. So there are user settings, pop-up active window. You can pop up the active window out. So there are news reader. So view market index. If you select this, on the right hand side top corner, the Nifty 50 and Sensex will be shown. If I deselect it, so you can see the indices are gone. So like this, you can use the view option and you can also change the application style like blue to silver. So this is silver option, this is white option, application style, this is dark option. So you can change the charts as you like. So this is available on the view section. So now after the view there are alerts, so you can create scripted alerts. So regarding this, I'll give you a more detailed link on the description of the video how you can create a scripted alert on the Zerodha Pi platform. You can write your own codes and you can generate alerts. Suppose you want to generate an alert that whenever, suppose a moving average crossover happens on this particular script Ambuja Cement, you want an alert. So you can create these kind of alerts. So I'll give you a clear cut full tutorial on the creating scripted alerts in the description of the video, or later I'll try to make another video on this option. Then there is artificial intelligence. As I told you already that you can write your own expert advisors, you can apply expert advisors. So you can apply expert advisors, you can write your own expert advisors. So there are some expert advisors already given there. So you can apply them, or you can write your own expert advisor. So in my video description I'll give you the link, and everything will be available there. So this is a more detailed chapter. So in this video it cannot be covered, so I'll try to cover it on my next video. So there are options. So artificial intelligence also helps you in trading automatically on the Zerodha Pi platform. So if any logic triggers, it can trade automatically for you. So this is in the artificial intelligence. Next section is help. So this is, if you do not know anything about Pi, you can go through the help contents. You can put your questions on Zerodha Pi on the trading Q&A site. So this is for newcomers. You can see this section also. And there is one Zerodha registration details. So you can get your Zerodha registration details from here. If you click on that, you can find the registration details of Zerodha. So friends, I feel I have covered the Zerodha Pi demo webinar. And if you do not know how to download it, I am once again repeating, if you do not know how to download and install Pi, just see the description of the video, and I have given a link of a write-up, of a clear-cut write-up where you can find how to download and install Pi. So this is the link where you can find out how to download Pi. So Zerodha Pi download link has been given over here, and the installation steps, how to install the Pi, how to log into Pi. So all basic details are given over here. So if you do not know how to download, how to log in, how to install, you can visit my link and you can get an idea. And other thing, I have already told you that I'll give you another link on the Zerodha Pi scanner. So this is the link. So this is a post on how to create a scanner on Zerodha Pi. You can simply find out some codes over here. You can step by step create a Zerodha Pi scanner code. So later on also I'll try to create a video. So you can visit this link to get an idea on Zerodha Pi scanner. So friends, the basic tutorial on Zerodha Pi has already been covered. If you have any questions on Zerodha Pi, you can ask me in the comment section of the video. Once again, I am telling you, if you do not have a Zerodha account and you want to get a Zerodha account and download Zerodha Pi, so you can simply visit this link bit.ly/Zerodha Zerodha Pi. Just remember this link and you can download Zerodha Pi. So friends, thanks a lot for watching the webinar. I wish you loads of luck in the coming days in your trading, and thanks once again for watching my webinar. Bye bye.